大家还记得2年前我开船经过迪拜时候认识的游艇大副 Luke 吗？今年2月，我邀请他来迪拜体验了一次中国人的春节，我特意租了辆小车和一艘小船招待了他。这次他邀请我去澳洲，带我体验一下真正澳洲土豪的生活，绝对让我终生难忘。走，一起去看看。从迪拜到悉尼，整整飞了20个小时。Luke 说要找个超豪华酒店招待我。
The fucking office, man.
Do you think it's an office?
Of course it's an office building. 163 resident.
This is a work building, yes. That's for the workers. This is the key to heaven.
What are you fucking doing, man?
Why don't you believe me?
You didn't hear that wire for your luggage.
I'm dressed like this. I'm ready to go. Look, look.
Really? What the?
I told you, anything for you. You look after me in Dubai, I look after you in Australia.
I don't trust you.
Level 43, let's go.
How you get this one, man? In these buildings.
I'm gonna show you the best time.
Okay.
Wait till you see this.
Here we go.
Come, this is it. Come check this out. You didn't believe me.
I will see.
You didn't believe me.
Huge. 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 我看一下这个风景，这可能是我在悉尼看到过最好的一个露台了吧 ？This is television tower there, right?
Yeah.
Man, where you get the key? You steal from someone?
Good man never gives up his secrets.
I'm just afraid. Sometimes the owners come back and we're gonna be fucked up. Oh man.
Look, I could tell you all about this, but we don't have time. Let's go.
No, you watch some girl from here, right? For sure.
Go
Let's
straight
see.
to the window.
这个在这么高的楼上44楼去看别人的房间，这样不好吧
Know what you're doing.
？That's my kitchen.
Kitchen, getting it clean.
Yeah.
You didn't believe me, did you? You didn't believe we could have
I'm
this
still thinking about the way you get the key, you know? You see this guy? He don't know how to open the door. Wow. Gorgeous. Look at this.
Come on, I want to show you the pool.
Oh, that's a pool. Fuck. No way, man. The pool. The beautiful. 所有的东西都在这个露台了。I have only one question.
Okay, go.
Where you get the key?
So I want to show you the rest of the video.
他不说他哪来的钥匙，带着我就跑了。Where you get the key? Where you get the key? Where you get this key?
Okay, maybe I met a girl.
I don't trust you.
You don't trust me? Maybe it's my friend's place.
I don't trust you.
Or maybe you never knew me and you just know I come from a wealthy family.
Rainy.
You don't believe me?
I just want to stay up for the night. Oh, not only 20 minutes. We will see from the video whether I can live here for the night.
Oh, okay.
20 minutes. 20 minutes. Maybe we should leave that.
I don't like this shit. For me, I don't like it. For you?
Because he don't get the key.
We're going on a boat. We're going on a boat.
I'm living in the city I want. But you bring back to the sea.
Because it's your nature brings you back to the sea. It's your heart.
Because you don't get the key. 这应该是第2个惊喜了，不知道是惊喜还是惊吓。Now how many minutes? Tell me.
Hello.
Hi. The bridge is good.
Yeah. Wait. These are the better boats for the days out. Yeah. These are the best. Honestly.
That's a good one. 我要把我朋友带到这里来，用这个船在悉尼来航海。在这个地方，如果自己开着船抓鲍鱼啊、抓龙虾呀，应该蛮有意思。Oh, good. See the view. That's good. This is better tonight, right? Oh, finally.
We're not staying here.
This is
No, we're not staying.
really. You lied to me for twice. You lied to me for twice. Where's my penthouse?
Luke 说他准备好了总统套房，但要先带我开船见识一下悉尼的美景。
Do you want to take this boat out?
Yeah, let's go.
Like, got like
Give
this.
me some other choice.
There's like a little problem with this one.
Fuck you,
I
man.
think. So
Fuck you.
it's a little bit smaller. A little bit smaller. Come here.
We go for a bigger one.
No.
Trust me. Please tell me this is not a. It's a surprise. The real one.
This is a real surprise.
Real surprise.
I don't know.
For sure.
Can you trust me yet?
It's a big one.
Oh, the big one? You sit. Look, come here. See the big one?
Yeah.
Then just look to the right a little bit. Just there.
I know, man. Fuck you.
You just have to love me.
But anyway, finally, we have a boat. You see a Ronaldo, yeah. I'm the captain now.
Yeah.
Fuck, I don't want to be a gay. 那么多次我都在下面走着看过，我从来没有在下面试了这个角度看过。That's my bridge. Where is my penthouse? Okay, that is my penthouse, right? Ooh, that's my penthouse.
Okay, come in. This is where you put your bags. This is the bed. And this is the chair where you think that, why the fuck am I staying here?
And open the window. Ah, street view. That's good. That's so sweet. The street view.
Now, the
That's
question
okay.
is, you on the top or
Oh,
bottom?
I'm here. No way.